studies, when I graduated, I faced the problem of not being prepared for the real work itself.
Same here. Cannot find the right candidate with a commercial development experience.
That's true. Unfortunately, university cannot provide all the trainings and real work experience.
As a business, we have a big lack of IT solutions in Kyrgyz Republic. For example, agriculture needs a new apps to optimize operations and collect data.
And we also need to have more in-house projects rather than working on other countries' projects.
As you can see, we have a huge socio-economic issue in our country, when more than 95% of recent IT student graduates cannot feel opportunities that they want to get from the business, and business are looking for scalable students.
I have an idea. This year, I was lucky to be part of Students Developers Club in our city. Within 4 months, we divided into smaller groups and provided solutions for social issues. We provided 20 lectures related to new technologies. We provided trainings inviting our city professionals. But none of the 4 projects we were working on were completed. Now I see there was a lack of mentorship and leadership. We have to bring right talents to the table. First, there must be a person who is passionate to solve a particular problem and get real results. Second, there must be a person who is good at leadership and motivating the team. Third, teams must train their skills in providing solutions for our in-house issues. Mentorship combined with trainings will be very helpful for students, fresh graduates, as well as for job providers to find right candidate. We call it Share IT.
We decided to implement developers club model, but there are issues that we are going to work on to improve the model.
I know what to do. We will bring together the right people at the same table to create a community of tech people. This sounds very broad, but we will start with baby steps. First, every team will have a professional mentor who helps making project sustainable. Second, every team will be led by project manager. Third, every team will work on real, social, and business issues. So, idea person, project manager, and developers will work at the same table. Some challenges that we anticipate are including recruiting students, mentors, as well as maintaining program. We plan to use our network to overcome these challenges.
For implementing our ideas, besides human resources as mentors, trainers, and students involved in the process, there is need for such resources as classroom and internet. After 2 pilot projects, we plan to establish curriculum. Can this project replicable? We are going to work on franchising model.
We bring multidisciplinary team to work together on commercial and non-profit issues. By doing so, they get employable skills, practical education, and doing business insight. We call it Share IT. Let's share it. Let's share IT.